Welcome back, man, to alphamantraining.com, and in today's topic we will talk about how to change your life and be happy. So you need to change the way you look, the way you act, the way you approach. You need to change your body language. You need to change your mindset, because once women will perceive you in a bad way, you will never get results. So at the Alphaman training, you need to change. We need to install into you Alphaman traits and change the way women perceive you. And in that way you will get amazing results. They will perceive you really nice. They will talk to you, they will open to you, they will exchange numbers. Even you will get physical with them on the same day. But to reach that, everything is in the mindset. It doesn't matter how old are you. These trainings are for any age of guys. You could be 16 years old, 15 years old, doesn't matter at all. You could be 60 years old, 65 years old, doesn't matter at all, because everything is a mindset. If you have two hands, two legs, if you have two hands, two legs, you could do that. We had a client who had been without a hand, and if he changed his mindset, if he found his girlfriend, so you can find easily. You have two hands, two legs, you can do that very easily. So mindset. Then you need to learn how to dance in a way to seduce them, because all our alphamantraining.com techniques are based via seduction. We get with women physical really fast. So if you change that mindset and you learn from alpha male, because a lot of guys make a mistake. They go to learn dancing from beta male, and they even get beta male traits. That training doesn't help, and even worse, it destroys a guy. So don't do that. So just learn from our DVD program how to dance with women, and it is on alphamantraining.com products. You click night game program how to dance with women. That program is awesome. You need to learn how to dance and then turn them on to sex. Also, for example, you are in a public transport. It's a female which is you like, how to talk to her, how to open, how to be interesting. You need to watch carefully and learn everything from pickup online training courses. That program is video courses where it will teach you step by step, proven easy steps discovered by alphamantraining.com, how to approach and get physical with women, in public transport, on the streets, at shopping mall. She could be anywhere. So that skill is very important in your life, because you will never feel that you lack skills how to talk to women. You will never lack those skills. So you will become confident, you will dress well, you will dance well, you will get physical with them on the same day. You will do from approach to sex, because these are products advanced, and for advanced guys, for example, to do in the gym. A lot of women, who really care themselves, they go to gym. It's a very good skill to know how to do that, because most of them, once you will exchange numbers with them, most of them will not respond to you. And to know a skill how to get physical with them on the same day is a very good skill, very important skill, and we really recommend to watch those products from approach text at the gym, at the resort. 5 different girls, version 1, version 2. Also go to same day bang version 1, version 2. Same day bang system adds really big fun at your life. They come 7 minutes away from your apartment, you bring them, you bang, you use that energy which you receive to your business. It's awesome. A lot of our alphamantraining.com clients, some of them are simple guys, but later on they they become entrepreneurs. And you know, amazing women with amazing asses waiting you. So approach, don't afraid, invest into training, invest into products, and add fun, add more connections, add things to your life, like expand your life. You can do that. So go to the link below. The best is to insert into cart all products at once, add to cart them, and start to change, start to learn and change. So we really wish you carefully reading and understanding everything and executing in your real life. So it was alphametraining.com. See you until next time.